Hello, 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 everyone. Happy weekend, happy Sunday. Happy weekend, happy Sunday. How are you guys doing? Hello, 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 hello. I hope you guys are doing great. Yes, we are live in Facebook and YouTube. I hope everyone is doing better. I hope everyone is good. Yes, I'm fine. Just want to wish everyone happy weekend, happy Sunday. It has been a long while. Thank you. It has been a long while, guys. I miss you guys. So who missed me? Who missed me? I want to know in comment section who missed me. Are you missing? Have you missed me in Facebook? Or you missed me in YouTube or Instagram or TikTok? Where did you miss me? Guys, I've been busy. You guys know very well. Last week, today is a 1 week. Yesterday is 1 week. We celebrated our anniversary and my birthday. So I have been away, I have been busy, to plan occasion is not an easy something, guys. So something that will take place, something that's three occasion in one, three in one. So we did the anniversary and I did my birthday and my son's birthday, you know. So it's not an easy something. So you can see within throughout this year, let me say throughout this year from March to this moment, I have not been posting the way I'm supposed to be posting. You guys know very well. I've been trying my best as well as we are still planning things. I'm still doing my videos sometimes. I make up my time in order to keep my audience uh, moving so that they can see something to watch. Even if I'm not doing it properly, yeah, you can see my video is not just like moving the way it's supposed to be moving, but due to I'm not constantly there and making it away for you guys. So, guys, I want to say that I'm back. I'm back full, both in Facebook, both in YouTube. I'm back. So I have to resume my full work as I used to do. So I'll be bringing it for you guys, bomber to bomber. So I want to use this opportunity also to tell my friends for Facebook, my subscribers, my audience that are watching me that my Facebook, I'm gonna be doing not only a Bukobi, but the same Bukobi video I'm going to be doing. As I will be coming live, I used to call Saturday, Sunday in my Facebook. I'll be doing it in Facebook and the YouTube. So I think I'm gonna be doing it that way so that people will be watching me on YouTube. People will also be watching me on Facebook. Yeah, I just want to use this opportunity to let you know that I'm back for work. I'm back again. Yes, I'll make it for you. So I believe that you find my video interesting. I beg, don't forget, don't hesitate, don't even think to waste time to click that share button for me and click that subscribe button. If you are watching me on YouTube, in case if you are not yet subscribed to YouTube and you are watching me on Facebook, please rush to YouTube. Just the same name, Adadiche Blog TV. If you want to follow me in my family page or YouTube, the same name, Obelili Family TV. So we didn't change the name. So anyway, you see that name, you know that is me and my family or me. Okay, so please, if you're watching me, please, welcome. Smart blessing, thank you so much for coming. How are you doing? Happy Sunday and happy weekend. So, you know, so in case if you are not watching, you are watching me on Facebook as well, you can rush to YouTube and subscribe because sometimes what you see in Facebook is not what I'm doing in YouTube. So what you'll be seeing in YouTube is not what I'm doing in Facebook. Sometimes it may get different updates somewhere, that way, the other side. So we are doing different kinds of things. If you come to my family page and my family, I know what I do. We do a lot of things, doing family activities like we do prank, we do eating challenge, I do many things. I cook. I have a channel, cooking channel as well. Mary, longest time, how are you? Bless. Thank you so much, Mary. How are you doing? Guys, I miss you guys. I hope everybody miss me. So, like I said, I have resumed back by special grace of God. I will be trying to be giving them bomber to bomb again. Okay. So I thank you so much, Blessing. Thank you so much. And Mary, thank you so Mary, how are you? How you sub? What about Andrew? So that is it, guys. So I just want to say happy weekend, happy Sunday. I know that everybody is doing great. Yeah, I'm really thankful. I want to just share a testimony of good news to you guys because God will do it for me. If you are planning for things, you are hoping for something, and you really get it, and God did it for you, you need to appreciate and tell people about it. Let people know about that God have done it. Because when you testify the goodness of God upon your life to share it with people. There's people who use that testimony to motivate. There's people who use it to motivate, yes. And when they hear that testimony, when they hear that good news, they will be hoping and believing that yes, one day will be their turn. That is me for you. So I just want to testify and thank God. Say to thank God Almighty how He make everything possible. And it is not easy to plan a party, a big one for that much because my party was the one of tech, one in town. The party was like up to now is blowing everywhere. I just scattered the whole my city, everywhere, even internet. So all this time I told you guys I'm so busy, but I still try my best coming online, making people happy, doing my own doing my contents, that kind of stuff. So I just want to testify that God is so wonderful. I really thank God. I really, I'm grateful, I'm grateful. I'm a very, very happy person. And the way we planned everything went very smoothly without no issue. Everyone that came on the way from America, London, other cities, everybody come in peace and go in peace. There is nobody have complained anything. Nobody have complained. Maybe I this that. Nobody complains. Good evening, Rebecca. Welcome, Rebecca. How are you? Yeah, longest time family. I'm really sorry. Ma, I miss you everywhere. Thank you so much. I miss you all. I miss you too, guys. I'm just trying to rest, but rest is not for my side. It's not for my side. I don't know how the day I will just say rest. I'm telling you, rest is not my side because more especially here where we are in our blood. It's very difficult to say what to. As I'm talking to you, I'm in break because as I finished the occasion last week Saturday, I took a break for 2 weeks. But still yet, if I told you that it's only, in fact, yes, I didn't get time. So I'm trying to make time. I'm happy for you too. Thank you so much, Rebecca. Thank you. So I'm trying to get time to rest, but no way. So and when they say you want to rest, these people are waiting for you somewhere in social media to hear from you. That is why I'm trying my best in order to create something and something meaningful, understand. So I miss people, I even people that follow me because of our evangelist Kobe and that in the Lord. They will be saying, what is happening to Adadiche? What is going on? For my Adadiche blog TV page. That's what I carry and YouTube as well. So, I'm telling you the truth. Some people will be wondering what is going on. They don't know that it's not easy for me, but I really appreciate God. God is so wonderful. To God who made me. I sometimes wonder how this power, how this strength come and where it come from. I dey wonder. Even people around me will be wondering. This woman said, the rest. I remember 4 years ago, 3 years ago, when we started this journey of social media. A lot of them have left the journey. Yes, a lot of them have left the journey. I'm telling you, I know them now. How many? I don't think that we reach up to 2 or 3 people that remains in this job because the journey is not an easy journey. And when people see you on Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, they believe that it's easy. It is not easy. Here's why I'm here. I'm telling you guys. But If you make things happen, if you take things serious and you really want to do it, uh, it's takes by grace of God. He asks for it. If you know the God you are serving, you go for it. You ask God what you want, and He will direct you. So I really appreciate God. To be honest with you, I'm telling you, you understand me. So, and that is why I keep on going, move, pushing, because I know that there is people there I'm motivating. There's people that I'm making them happy, giving them joy. There's like one of my sister living in America. He told me when I was talking to her mother, the mother was laughing, 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 laughing. I said, Mama, why are you laughing? He said, you make us laugh. So whenever I'm just feeling uh, sad, I just go and open your video. I'll be laughing, laughing. So you see that some people are making them laugh. Some people are making them feel good. So that is why I like this social media. I'm telling you honestly. So if you know what you are doing, no worry. It's a question of time. Even if it may take you 10 years, 5 years, 2 years, 3 years, depending on how your luck and how serious you are and the content you are creating, what you are giving to people, if it's what is moving. Then if you are doing it and it's not moving, like me, I used to, if you go to my social media, I have my auntie here. Oh, welcome. Congrats, Kelemo. I love you, dear. I love you. Thank you, ma. Thank you. God bless you, ma. Thank you, auntie. Welcome. In YouTube, my auntie is watching me live. So you see, okay, guys. So yeah, so this is why I keep on telling people. Let me tell you, you can don't let people laugh because of they're laughing at you, and you know what you achieve. You wanted. You take because of the laugh, you will draw, or take out because of you are because if you go to my YouTube channel, or if I thought that my first account they did not demonetize me, they did not close it to you Facebook, you go and see how I started. Even I don't even know how to speak English, broken or English, Igbo. I don't even know it. Every of them I was like missing it because the tension is too much. You cannot withstand it. It's take by grace of God for the first time when you are starting this journey that you don't know anything. Nobody is guiding you. Nobody shows you how to start, what to do. You be if the way you can start it. That's why I didn't delete my old videos 4 years ago. I put it in my YouTube and I hide it. I put it on listed, so I open it. So why I keep it so that I will be remembering. I'll go and check the video, watch and remember how I started and where I am today. Just tell me. Imagine that me, I'm the one. People come to me for help, and I do. If it is the one I can be able to help. But that during that time I'm talking about, that 4 years ago, you won't see anybody to help you. Even if you see somebody to ask, you must pay money. I have spent a lot of money in this social media. But people thought that it's just when you call it back money. Clap for yourself. The one you are going to spend is more than what you pack. But if the one you are going to pack in future will be greater than what you have already spent. This is why I started telling people that if you want to, this is a workshop. The workshop is a workshop, and when you get shop, you have to invest very well. So when you are investing, you have to look very well and know the kind of things you want to invest in. Because if you did not invest well, that is when you get lost. You lose it, and then you will be regretting. That is why you see a lot of people withdraw. And some people, happy Sunday to you. Fatima, welcome. Ayodele, Ayode, welcome, welcome. Fasola, Falashado, welcome, welcome, Shade. So, you know, that is why some people get lost. A lot of them get lost today because they don't know what they wanted. Some of them are doing it because of this one is doing. I can do it. So when you get there, because you don't have the vision, you don't have the vision, you don't have what it takes, you don't even know what you want. So that is why you see some get out, fall out on the way, fall out on the way. Thank you, everyone. Thank you so much. So that is why some of them fall out. But you know me, I will not fall out. Even if I'm not getting anything, I know that I'm building a company. So what we are building is a company. If you are, that's why I decided to make it public announced to my YouTube fans are watching me that I will be coming the way I started initial time, do my content. Even if I have two, three views, I don't mind. The most important thing that I'm making my content. It is better they know you with your content. Blogging is okay, but when you are blogging, you blog well. Don't use lie things that is not good, irrelevant things that you know that when they call you out to explain or interpret, you cannot withstand it. And there is many challenges in blogging when you are carrying people's video, a lot of things. So when we don't know this, we'll do anything we like as a video. But when you have one topic or one content and you see that your audience like what you are doing, keep on pushing it, keep on continue doing it. Because what all these social media platform needed from you is for you to create original content. Even if you are doing your own content, is not moving. Don't slack back. Keep on doing it. Keep on doing it. One day, market will go back and never return. Even if it take you 5 years to build that platform. Although there's people that will be here, like people like us. I saw a lot of things inside this journey. You understand me? So if you don't invest well, like I said, you will remain where you are. People will not know you. But if you are constantly pushing, no, for me, what is that? If you are constantly pushing, doing what you are doing, know how to do. One day, you wake up one day, you see one of your videos just fly go viral. Maybe one day people will be coming to know who is this person is. If you know it, you don't belong. I'm waiting for that day to happen to me. Excuse me. I'm waiting for that day to happen to me. I know that one day will happen to me. So, guys, so if YouTube people, as you're watching me, I will going to be creating my content that I used to create. What I'm teaching people in my Adadiche blog TV, in Facebook, and my content, I will be posting it. Still posting that the video. I will be blogging for Zion Evangelism Global. I used to bring one. I will be giving you guys update. You know what I do? I do reaction videos, and also I'll be adding my own topic in YouTube. I'm just talking about YouTube. But Facebook, I have separate accounts that I do my personal blog and do blog for general, where I tell people things that are going on. If I see anyone that I feel like to blog at, so I blog. Thank you so much, amazing, man. Thank you so much, Fatima. So that is what I just want to tell you guys and wish you everybody happy Sunday and happy weekend. So you guys stay cool, okay? So by God's grace, I'm here back again. Yes. So like I said, take testimony. I thank God for everything. Everything went well the way I planned it. I wish what I since 1 week now I'm so super excited. So super excited. I don't know. My heart is full of joy, happiness, my heart is full of everything good. I'm favored. If you talk about people that are favored, I'm favored because, like I told you guys before earlier, I don't know where I'm getting this power. The God is good. In fact, God is good. The Lord is good in my life, in my family, everything I do. Imagine that I'll be busy doing 24 hours, go work and come back, do this and do social media and out there. I will never have the feeling that I'm doing too or you overdo. That is why I'm thanking God and also praying that God will bless me in my old age. I will get more strong body, more strong, that kind of stuff. The energy will be there. Yes. So guys, so let's talk another. I have explained to you, I have told you how I went, that is how my vaccine, how it went, everything. So let's go and talk about the thing I used to discuss today being Sunday and Saturday is about marriage and relationship. You remember, or do you forget? Have you forgotten? I know that a lot of you are not forgotten. So we are back again to talk about it. You understand me? So I'm here to lecture you, and the one I can be able to do to the little experience, the little one I know. And I know that by special grace of God, by the inspiration of our Lord Jesus Christ, we'll get more, will be more, I'm going to be more inspired to, to also teach you. Because I know that a lot of things I do, there's something behind it. It's not ordinary like say maybe it's my own power, my strength. No, I always tell people. That is why I don't need to. So even if you want to imitate someone, you want to be like that person, but don't jealous of that person because what the person, the star or the power or the strength or the in fact the star the person carry, the grace is not the same with you. Everybody with his or her own grace. I believe that everybody has his or her own gifts in this life. So the best thing you will do in life for you to notice, to find out where you belong. Don't do things because of people are doing. I always tell people this. Don't do things because of people are doing. A lot of us make that great mistake. That is why you see us sometimes we fall out because you are doing something because of this person is doing. What is he doing? I can do it and it's a very simple thing. That's why you fall out. So because you are not following you are not following your star, your destiny. You are not following the star. So if you are following the star, you will not fall out. Sometimes me, if the time I fall out, I know. The time I fall out, I know. And when I regain it back, excuse me, when I regain it back, I know. Sometimes when I regain it back, if I fall out, I know. When I regain it back, I know. So this is what you need to know about you, about yourself. When you are falling out, when you are getting this, you need to know this and follow that step. If you follow it, it shall be well with you. You will see that you will never regret it. Do you understand me? So I believe that the call I have been called, I want to work on it. Still because I'm called also to celebrate things of God and also tell people what they need to know about lifestyles and other things like our marriages, our relationships. Because a lot of people are misbehaving and doing a lot of things are happening in marriages today. A lot of things are happening in our men and our women. So somebody needs to talk about it. A lot of people have been talking. Oh, yes. One day might be my video you watch that will liberate you for that problem you are facing in your marriage. One day might be another person video you watch, you might get freedom from that bondage of relationship or marriage. Do you understand me? So it is good whenever you are watching the video, somebody video, pay attention, just stay tuned and watch that video to the end and know where the person is going. Because a lot of people might see your video caption or thumbnail, they will not just watch maybe the beginning of the introduction of the video, the intro. Just "Gịnị ka onye a na-akọ ekerere forever." They will not watch that video to know exactly what that person is saying, exactly where he's pointing. You will not watch the video. So try as possible as much you can just watch people if you're watching people video and you want to get know something about that video, watch it to the end and know something about that video. Do you understand me? Very, very important. It's very, very important. So a lot of people today are suffering in their marriage. A lot of marriages are suffering. And the worst part of it is some people believing that women are the problem they have in the marriage. But it's not true. It's not true. Some of the problem having in the marriage, some of them come from men, some of them come from men, some of them come from women, but some people label it as if it's when it, everything get wrong, they say that now that the woman, but not true. So these two people have something absolutely to do in their marriage or in their relationship that will make it to work very well. When people see it, they will be saying otherwise. You understand me? So these two people have to work hand to hand to make it happen. No marriage, no marriage is sweet, too much sweet. No marriage is too much bitter. Depending how you handle it, how you follow about it. But remember, Adadiche doesn't support do and die. Marriage is not do and die affair. Yes, I don't support that. Where I came in that I don't support that do and die is when some man, a woman is misbehaving in the sense that maybe you are married, nobody have any right to say what to do. You are misbehaving and do what you're not supposed to do. Or when a man is misbehaving too, pushing women here and there, doing all kinds of things, and beating the woman and doing all that, insulting the woman anyhow, doing anything that nobody can ask. I'm the man, I'm the husband, I have right to do that one. Mm-mm. And I don't support that one. Yes. So what I cannot take, I will not say that it will take it. But you see, marriage is a very good thing, very sweet and beautiful thing that God have done for these two people to be one, live in one heart, become one, and make home. So how does it work? That is the thing you have to ask yourself. How did this thing work to this extent? I celebrated 15 years anniversary. 15 years is not a 15 days. It's not a 15 months. It's not a 15 weeks. It's not easy. A lot of things go wrong. A lot of things go good. That is why I said it's not a too much sweet, it's not a too much bitter in marriage. But along this road, along within this time period, how did you manage? How did you manage that your marriage? How did you manage it? That is why this marriage is managed. How did you manage it? That is why I say some people when they got married will not reach up to how many weeks, months, whatever. They are get divorced. They will see a lot of problems here and there because they refuse to learn for each other. They refuse to understand each other. Do you understand me? Because thought I will teach this thing before. Go and watch my previous videos in Facebook, that is a blog TV too. You will see it because they refused, they refused to understand each other. They understand. So that is why you see them having problem even when they just got married. So marriage is a very sweet thing, but don't waste it. Don't waste it, more especially men. Respect your wife. If you respect your wife, if you honor your wife, if you're a man, honor your wife. Make sure that you take care of that woman. He will not die prematurely because that woman will pray that he need to go even scatter. Thank you so much. You pray. Any woman when you see marry a man and they honor that woman, oh, you no go die prematurely, you no go die young. Success will be your own. Happiness will be your own. Long life will be your own. Joy will be your own. Ah, I'm telling you. Because women, I know what we can do now. Just what we need is for you to pet that woman, honor her, respect her. Don't put to carry a woman on top of her. Don't disgrace her. Don't be spoken anyhow. or you drinking anyhow, falling on the roads, misbehaving, and do all kinds of things, she will not be happy with that. And she will refuse to pray for you. Because if a woman refuse to pray for you, success, you will not see it. I have teach this thing before. Go and watch my previous videos. If you know that you want to be a successful man, see your woman, not that woman. Respect that woman. Cherish that woman. Give her front and back. Give her sex that satisfy her every minute. My husband, my husband, my husband, my husband, my husband, my husband. He will never forget you in a hurry. He will control praying for success for you. He will control praying for favor for you. He will control praying for long life. But you see when you offend the woman, when you don't honor your woman, you do her anyhow. Number one, you not go see success where it pass. You not go see happiness where it pass. You not go see even joy when you don't see happiness. Now joy, I want see. You not go see long life, so you not go see. So it's better if you want that your marriage to work well. Man, I'm telling you this, please. You need to see that woman because she go follow you die. If you dey respect her, dey honor her, she go follow you die. I know how we dey do now, we don't get mind. But if you dey do that woman anyhow, thinking that the marriage will work, marriage will be the best, it will not. It's not possible. It's not possible. Do you understand me? Please help me share the video. If you are watching me on Facebook or YouTube, anywhere you are watching me, help me share the video, please. Share and tag your friends. Fatima, please help me share the video and tag your friends. So this is one thing, some things some men don't know about. Do you understand me? So if you want that marriage to work very well, you're a woman, respect your wife, husband. Even if when you go wrong, sometimes you know that men, whether because there is some certain things you will do, it's not that you that thing you did is a bad thing. Because of how jealous they are more jealous than women. Men, they are more jealous than women. They say women is a jealous woman. No, men are more jealous than women. So that time you saw him angry. You saw him panic, angry, provoking. You don't need to follow him immediately you know, and start making exchange of words with him. No, you need to respect that moment or that time because it's like the thing is so dark in this place. I hope you guys can see me clearly. So come, I'm just regretting the lights. Because like Facebook, YouTube is not clear. That is what I'm trying to regret in the lights. Okay, it's not clear. This one is like it's okay. So guys, I was trying to regret the lights because I say that YouTube is not so clear, but Facebook is okay. Facebook one is very very clear. So maybe it's because I'm using laptop in YouTube, so the thing is not very clear. No, not clear at all. Okay, it is well, guys. I'm not going to waste much of your time. I just let you guys know that I'm back in the journey. So I was so busy throughout 2 months now. Yes, planning my occasion, how it's going to be. Finally, God done it. God did it for us. Everything went very, very smoothly. Without no case, without no problem. Everybody was happy. Till this moment, people are happy. So I'm so happy. The thing gives me joy when I see people rejoicing and be happy. So I'm so happy about that. And like I said before, I don't have much to say tonight. So I have to leave you guys and we'll see you in our next video, okay? So don't forget to always tuning in, share my video, like, subscribe to our YouTube channel and Facebook page, so and support us with your full heart. And God bless you. Okay, guys. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you for liking us. We love you. See you again. Bye bye. Bye.